for one too early for an event.
Shushika is here.
We're early because it starts at 4 and we reach 3:45. Yeah, we're early. Trying to find the place. So excited. Oh my god. Ashika, why are you walking?
too sure.
Why are you walking? Who, me? Ashika is about to
Girl, don't you feel fabulous? Nothing na him naman.
dance. Do it for the vlog. Dana found a fan, guys. Somebody called her and she's just taking pictures of her. Oh my god, look at that. Or YouTube. Or YouTube.
There's a gentleman in here that has been taking photographs.
Bye.
Up here with us. So I'm going to just allow you to introduce themselves, probably drop a tip, and also just to tell you how you can find them on the internet, okay?
My name is Ashley and this is Dana. For transitioners, when you just start transitioning, you can do styles such as braid out or perm sets or flat twists because people have problems handling the two different textures. So if you do hairstyles, like a lot of curly hairstyles, especially braid out, it will be easier to work with. And deep conditioning, even while you're transitioning, will help your hair to be more manageable. So that's key. And also, while you're transitioning, ensure that you're always clipping your ends. You don't have to cut a lot at once, but ensure that you're always clipping it little by little. And then I'm going to tell you guys what our channel is about. She's shy, guys.
You wearing it now?
You know me?
She is advertising. She's advertising for you. It's cute. Yes.
It's Eric and what's the name?
On you guys on Instagram, same class.
What most persons say that work
Bart is all in one.
Alright.
Okay. Let me take a picture too.
doing what we do best. Share our YouTube channel with people.
Make sure to keep in touch with us. If you don't want giveaways, it's content is
So can I, you don't know your number is on this? Alright. It's okay, don't matter how you spell it. Thank you.
So keep in touch, guys.
We'll keep in touch.
Dana.
Ashley, Ashika. Alright.
Yes, they won't feel dry when you finish, you know?
So you guys have an online store or something, or you just distribute your products? Yeah.
Island Naturals. And remember, Island Naturals is in charge of the event.
Is that
So you
online?
can order online and
Yeah.
it will be delivered to you.
Okay.
So you just express your interest, you can send a message and it will be delivered to you.
So these are different colors. What is the difference?
For example, this one is mango cherry. This is coconut lemongrass. We have no worry yourself. We don't mess up and we fix up.
Alright.
Yeah, clay mint, coconut lemongrass, mango cherry, chamomile. This is lavender palm nut oil. So
Alright, I think I'm going to buy this.
You like the mango cherry? The mango cherry?
Yeah.
$300.
Don't trap queen it, make it stay up. You hear? Don't the trap queen, make it stay up.
Yeah,
I like how it looks. This Ashika is changing her hair.
Really
You
sure.
should wear the underclothes.
Ashika don't know how to be a hot girl. She's a child of God, so you know. Alright, turn on and pose for her. It looks so nice. Coffee, guys. We're gonna get coffee. So let's buy. Okay.
This is like a 20-something minute.
Nothing wrong.
Guys, we're here on
And our frappes for like 20 minutes now, and the lady just tell us 5 minutes. It's a long time with there. 7 for almost 20 minutes, and the lady said that we should wait another 5 minutes, so we're waiting. Yeah, I did. Country come to town. Come, let's go. We got our frappes after literally 20 minutes of waiting, guys. So we're going back. We're going back. Oh, bless you. Thank you. Is what name French vanilla? I hope it tastes good. Can I wait like 20 minutes?
I like your hair. Okay, bye. Yeah, that's you. You're telling the truth. Good.
Give it up for Dana Edwards Designs once again, ladies and gentlemen. So if you're not following on Instagram yet, you should follow him by now with Dana Edwards Designs. At Dana Edwards Designs. I mean, when you look at designs like this, how could you?
Yeah.
We are going to take the bus.
No, that's not what I mean. The hair show is over now.
You have an echo.
So guys, my hair show is over.
We're heading home.
We need to take a picture with everybody right here.
But when you want a photographer, take a picture. They're not going to get her moment of fame with Bella. Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
The light's good.
No, it's awful. Thank you.
I like your hair.
Oh, thank you.
Purple is in my hair, but I had to dye it black.
I saw the purple when you were walking in the light.
In the light?
Yeah, it's the purple.
I need to the black rings coming off.
Mm-hmm.
So they reveal it.
Alright, Dana.
So we recently started a YouTube channel.
We're waiting on a ride to come get us. To come get us. It was so much fun, and we actually got to promote our channel.
It was great.
We met a lot of people and a lot of YouTubers live. We met one new
YouTuber.
Her name is
Just Ruth.
Just Ruth.
Me.
Just Ruth, me, yeah. Subscribe to her channel.
Thanks for watching.
Really?
I hope you enjoyed this video.
I hope you enjoyed
as
this
much
vlog.
as we enjoyed making it.
Mwah.
Put on your phone, save the light.
Walking to Emancipation Park, guys, because our ride didn't come for us.
No, working on them.
My natural sisters. The fountain is so pretty. It's so pretty.